and you can use third-party tool like Malwarebyte. Search Malwarebyte and download it. And after install program, get started, run pull scan. You can find any suspicion file, remove them. Delete crack folder if found. C program files KMS Auto or C program KMSPico. Delete crack folder if found. How to do it? Open C drive or your download folder. Look for folder name KMS crack copies activator or KMS Auto. Delete them completely. They are often in the C drive or download folder. If you find something like KMS or crack, delete it completely. Uninstall KMS activation but keep copies. Now run the following command prompt. You need to replace with the last 5 characters of the install product key. Run for every product is shown. Now let's uninstall the crack key using slmgr /upk. Just run command prompt as admin and type the command. You will see a message confirming the key was removed. Simple and safe. This affects Windows product key too, so use only if you are trying to remove office crack that might have affected Windows too. This helps remove KMS base of fake activation keys. How to use it? Open cmd run as administrator. Type this command and press enter. You will see a message uninstall product key successfully. This removes the current product key from the system, Office or Windows depending on context. Now restart your PC. After reboot, open Office again and check the activation status. If it shows unlicensed product, that means the crack is gone. Perfect. And we will try everything to remove that Office crack, but it's still showing as activated or cracked. You want to full remove it and uninstall if that's the only clean solution. Uninstall Office package. Go to Control Panel, Program and Features. Find Microsoft Office, right click and choose uninstall. Let's fully remove the old Office installation and uninstall Microsoft Office completely. We will do to press install next. Now it's time to install clean version of Office. Go to Microsoft official site, download the installer and activate it using a genuine key. This keep your PC safe, updated and legally activated.